In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate suspended user account in Google Admin Console. If you manage a Google Workspace organization and a user has been locked out, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click so they can get back in quickly and safely. You'll need an admin account with permission to manage users. Start by heading to the Google Admin Console in your browser and signing in with your admin credentials. On the home page, look for the section labeled Directory. That's where all of your people and groups live. Open Directory, then choose Users. This brings up the full list of accounts in your organization. Use the search bar at the top to find the user who's suspended. You can type their name or their work email. In the results, you'll usually see a clear suspended indicator next to the account, which helps confirm you're on the right profile. Click the user's name to open their profile page. From here, go into User Details. This view shows the account status and key admin actions. When an account is suspended, you'll typically see an alert banner across the top calling out the suspension. That banner will include a reactivate or restore access option. Click that, review any confirmation prompt that appears, and proceed. In most cases, the change is immediate and the user's status updates from suspended to active. If you don't see the banner for any reason, check the left-hand panel. You'll find common actions there such as email, delete user, and change organization. Once the account is active, those tools can help you follow up with the user or adjust their organizational unit if needed. Be careful with delete user, as that permanently removes the account and its data according to your retention policy. For reactivation, you only need the alert or status action in User Details. After reactivating, give the page a moment and then refresh to confirm the status shows active. It's a good idea to notify the user that access has been restored and ask them to sign out and back in if they were already on a device. If the suspension recurs, review the reason noted in the user's details, such as policy issues or security holds, and address that root cause. That's it. You went to the admin console, opened directory and users, searched for the suspended account, opened user details, and used the reactivation alert. With that, your user should be back up and running.